Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I unboxed a product, okay? And right now, I'm going to unbox my new toy. Uh, this is a brand called Cresea Jabo bait boat. Alright, it's salt rated, okay? And it has 12 volts lithium ion batteries. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, okay. This comes in two colors. What I've got here is the red one, right? And you can also avail for the black color, right? Okay, so upon opening we'll be able to see this one got these guards, propeller guards. Okay, all right, then let's see what's this one. Oh, okay, the charger. Okay, input 100 volts to 240 volts, 12.6 volts, 2 ampere, 200 milliamps. Okay, okay, two lithium ion batteries. These are huge ones. Okay, this is okay, 15 amperes. Okay, 11.1 volts. So meaning 3S. If those of you who are familiar with RC batteries, the size of this one is 3S, meaning 11.1 volts. But though it's 11.1 volts, the maximum capacity when you use a meter to measure the voltage, DC voltage, is 12.6. Alright, so you got two. One and two. Okay, with XT connector. So you charge this one with this, using this from the charger, and you plug it to the bait boat using XT60, just like the RC controller. Alright, okay. Oh, then you have this handle, folding handle, right? Let's pull it up. Let's put it here. Alright, what else is inside? Okay, you have this one hand controller, okay, with antenna. These are okay. There's one more antenna here for the bait boat and some cables. Right, I think this is the RC tether. Okay, sling. The blue one is the RC sling, and two more extra propellers and one USB cable for the remote control. Okay, next is manual. Okay, this is the manual. You can also, the details here on how to use this. You can also view it online through their Jabo Bait Boat YouTube channel. Okay, all available there, different kind of models, and the bait boat bag. Okay, bait boat bag, and I think that's it. No more inside. No more, right? Alright. Then let's proceed to the bait boat. This bait boat is not like your typical bait boat, freshwater bait boat. This is slightly bigger. Alright. The length of this bait boat from the tip, from the front to the rear, alright, is around 1 meter 1.1 meter and 1.06 meters. Sorry, 1.06 meters. The width is 30 cm. Okay, and the height is 20 cm from the tip of the dropper going to the bottom of the propeller guard. See, two motors behind, and this one in the middle. So bait release mechanism. All right. Two dropper what's this? Two dropper pans here. Okay, one and two, left, right, and you can also use this one to hook your what's this? Rig, and this slot. Okay. All right. So this the volume of this one, right? Dimension per dropper is 70 cm by 10 by 19 cm. So it's huge, huh? Okay. You can almost put around half kg, I think, here of what's this? If you want to use it in fresh water to drop pellets, right, or crack corns. Okay, so basically that's it. This one is watertight also, right? You open this. Okay. Open this too, just don't lose this one. Okay, because it's if you lose this, then water can easily get in, and you can see here rubber seal to protect water from getting in, protect the bait boat from from water getting inside. Okay, and inside it's really huge. Okay, here's the XT60 input, okay, to power the bait boat. So another neat feature of this bait boat is it has GPS system that enables you to program the home and home return, and 8 more different locations. Okay, 8 more different locations. So not like my previous bait boat that you need to see the boat visually. All right, this one you can send the boat in and save your spot, and press home button, it will automatically go back to you. All right, and what else? Okay, has 2 lamps in front, white, and 2 blue lights behind. Okay, if you want to fish during the night. Okay, this is the battery also indicator. Okay, so on the remote control also, you'll be able to see the remaining battery life of the bait boat. So if you have a warning, no, you will know if you need to replace the battery. So this boat can also cast, according to the manual, it can cast 500 meters, all right, from the shore, away from the shore. So let's see, because it's still raining. It's raining outside. Okay. Let's see if the rain stops, then I will be able to test it today. Okay, I will post another video on this. Okay, thank you so much. And please like my FB page for more video uploads. Right. Okay. The Jabo, Cresea Jabo bait boat. Thank you.